Alright, so we got our Biolite going. You can kind of see the flames through the grill there, so you know it's nice and hot. We'll let it warm the grill up a little bit more. So, just so you know, this is going to be the fuel for it. We got our just regular sticks and twigs, and then we got a couple pieces of charcoal that we're going to put in there today, just to show you that you don't always have to use limbs and twigs, but it will work on charcoal. So if you just want to get a couple pieces of that, you can use that as well. Let's take a quick peek in here, and remember, this is all just sticks and twigs. So you can see it's hotter than Hades' butthole in there right now. So let's just let it warm the grill up, and then we'll get our steak. Let's get our steak and put her on there. You can kind of hear that sizzle going. Yeah, that's what we want. We'll just give it a couple minutes. Gonna go ahead and add a couple more pieces of wood to our stove. As you can see, she's starting to brown towards the bottom and work its way up to the top. That's what we're wanting. Nice and slow. That's going to be beautiful. Let's go ahead and open this up. Yep, right there. That ought to be more than enough for what we're doing. Now that we've added some extra fuel to the stove, we'll go ahead and take the time to flip our steak over. That's what we want. While we're waiting on our steak to cook, figured we might as well go get us a little bit of greens. So got us some asparagus. Gonna put a little bit of Cavenders on it with a little bit of garlic salt. Kind of grill them up. Should marry up nicely. Went ahead and put some of the asparagus on there. So you can see a little bit of progress we're going. But steak's looking beautiful. It's looking great. So there we go. There's our steak with asparagus on our Biolite cook stove. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the steak off there and work on the asparagus a bit, and we'll let the steak rest. I went ahead and dropped our last piece of firewood that we had in there in the grill and put the rest of our asparagus on, and this is what it looks like. Guys, I can't even tell you how good this grilled asparagus is right off the grill. As you can see, I don't have quite as many as when I started with. It is so good just right off the grill. I didn't even have to wait to put any garlic or butter on it. It's just amazing. So let's go over here and look at our steak, and let's cut into it and see what we look like. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be one bad ass steak. Let's go ahead and see what we got on these. There you go. Like that. done for today. Once again, that's the Biolite Camp Cook Stove. You guys check them out. Like I said, I've been using this one for probably 8 years now. I love it.